Are you guys excited for Internet Safety Week? Who's got the power? Every letter is a part of internet safety. Your attention to our helpers for the letter S.
I think I should send her a mean text back.
What's S Wi-Fi? That's what the letter S stands for. Stay kind.
Should we practice?
That's what the T stands for. Tell a trusted adult. But he's not your real life friend, right?
No, I don't know him in real life.
The letter O reminds us to only connect with real life friends. The letter P in STOP stands for Protect Personal Information.
I've got power with technology. Protect personal info to the end.
You guys are so loud you couldn't even hear the music.